Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm giving you guys a tour of my holiday decor and how everything look now that everything is nice and ready for the holidays. Honestly, this year I didn't go with the theme that I planned. If you guys been following on Instagram, I was planning to do white gold and with a pop of emerald green this year, but then things shifted. There's like a lot of personal thing that happened, and I just ended up with my white and gold and silver metals that I already have tons of that kind of decor, and I use a lot of last year's item with a few new pieces, and this is how everything turned out, you guys. Right now I'm doing big renovations in the house, so this video is going to be just a quick run through of how the house looks at the moment. Don't forget to check the description box because I will be linking anything that I find for you that I have right now in my home, any decor, any furniture. I will be linking everything. Here's an overview of the dining room. Remember how we decorated this space? Well, I finally finished the table setting, and this is how it looks now. I made a few changes to my garland area. So what I did, I added the stocking. I also moved the garland to hang cascading on one side. So I moved that around, and I added my acrylic reindeers in this area as well. And as you can see, the Christmas tree here are pretty simple, straightforward, just with neutrals and a pop of gold. And here are my beautiful stockings from Big Lots. I kept my coffee table decor very minimal, but at the same time very festive. As you guys know, I have a toddler now that is touching everything. So I don't want to overdo it with decor that he's going to be breaking or anything like that. But I think it still looks really pretty in here. A few changes to my dining room area since our last video. I'm pretty sure you guys still remember that video if you saw it. If not, I'm going to link it somewhere in here. So I finished the table by adding this beautiful centerpiece. I got that base that matches the Sea Gallery candle holder and the rest of the beaded decor. So I added those white flowers in there, and then I added these LED branches that I got last year on clearance at Sea Gallery. And then I also added this little Christmas trees that I picked up at Home Goods to just add tester to the table. And pretty much those are the changes that I made. And of course I added my plates, my wine cups, and stuff like that. Currently doing renovations in our basement and our bathroom upstairs. So I went ahead and removed the staircase garland that I did. If you guys saw that video, I removed that, and I also remove all the decor that I put here, and I kept it to a minimal just because people are coming down and up, and I just don't want anything to break. Guys, that was it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of this year's holiday decor. Also, if you're not part of the family, please subscribe. I would love to have you as part of the family. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, many blessings to you and yours, and I will see you all on my next video.